Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I make gate page for the gate table and let's see that is the where is the gate table. Yes, this is my gate page. That is very simple and I use only some table text to it and I also use some H1 headings and link other pages of my pages on my websites and also use footer tag. So this is a very normal and simple gate page. So let's see what is the code of this web page. Okay, guys, let's see. So we start from normal boilerplate. Use Dr. HTML, HTML and English, tag, etc. like this, and we use title tag like in the title tag I use my gate, my gates. Okay, for the gate, for the gate things, uh, for the gate page. Okay. Uh, After that, I use body. In body, I use the H1 heading. This is a royal blue. That heading is style. Sorry, my grade. I give it the style that is and color royal blue. After I close header and I use the nav tag for linking all other pages to my gate page. Okay. After I use main for the text all contact content in my page. I use table border. That's the border and the tables border. So okay, caption head student gate portal report. That is this student gate report. After I use t head. Okay. After I use t head. T head. I use tr. That is yes. Course name and get okay. Yes, like these things. Course first, okay, course name, grades, and credits. So I use TR and TS name, course name, grades, and credits. After I use TR and we write all the topics to the upper side of table. We use T head. And there is a head. Is the head of the table like this. Okay. After that, I use T-body. In the T-body, we use the data of the mm, selected list, selected text. That is, if I use course name, I can use T-body for this T fundamental services like this. And after I use, it is like this. Yes. After I use TR, sorry, T-body. In the T-body, we use HTML fundamentals TD, A, TD, and TD3. That is A is grade and A is credits. After you close TR and you also use TR for other data like basics, CS basics like this. And like this, I use only three or four, like three only. Four, no, three. I use only three. Data of any language like HTML, fundamentals, CSS, and JavaScript. So, right, I close T-body and T-foot. We use T-foot for the all if we can calculate any marks, yeah, any points of any students. So we use of any data totals. We can count total observation of this table. So we can use the T foot. In T foot, we can put the data on the whole table in one line or anything you want. T foot, I use TR for table law. Okay, that is this use. It is the whole table uh, space grab. Okay, TRTDS column space 3, and it means column in the table of three. I use all the columns, and I saw the three. That if my table is like more like 10 columns in the, if I want to use only 4 columns or 3 columns, so I can put it and write it with whatever I want to write with the space of these columns. So I give it the column space actually, and where I write the total credits is 10. Okay. I close TR and close default and close table. Okay. And close the main tag after I use footer for the page uh, copyrights. Okay. And this is the after I close the body and HTML. So this is my normal and basics, simple basics student grade report table and my grades page. Thank you for watching me, and we will meet you soon in next video. Okay, guys, take care. Bye bye.